So even though I absolutely love the platinum on him, we were going for a warm tone since we were doing a red orange vivid. But look at how the Pallure blonde shampoo, I like to use it a lot as a pre-tone, but like it really killed that warmth there. And then I went ahead and used the Pallure bright blonde mousse, which is a conditioner. Look how it just kicked the rest of all that warmth out. I was almost trying to convince him to stay platinum, but yes, love the results. Thank you, Pallure.
Do I have your attention?